What's up, guys? I'm back at you guys with another vlog, and today we're doing something fun. We're at Fastlane Classic Cars, and I'm looking a surprise for you guys. All classic vehicles. It's our classic paradise today, car paradise in general. We got signs, old cars, antiques, everything related to cars today for you guys. And I'm with my boy Armani right now.
What's up,
Shout out to that Car Addict, subscribe below. And without further ado, enough talking, let's go downstairs and check it out. Let's go. See where we're at, guys. This is car heaven. I'm serious. Look at that. This is really the spot to be at. We have all the used signs from back in the day restored to their finest finish. A gift shop back there with all model cars. You know, look at this. Look at this. This is like crazy, man. You got the signs everywhere. All those old signs. Anything car related. You got it here. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the cars though, some of my favorites, give you guys some cinematic looks of everything, and we'll talk about the ones we like. So we are next to the Challenger convertible, and we're gonna watch how it goes down. Now this is my first time ever seeing a Challenger lose the top, drop top. Look at that, come on man, for a Challenger, that's crazy. Wow, look at that. Wow. Wow. Now, tell me about that. I know you haven't seen that before. Yep. Right now we have a front view of the Challenger without the top. You can tell that's a whole different look right there. That's insane, honestly. But this particular car is actually not factory built. It's customly designed from a company in Florida, so you know everything's customized on this. But yeah, I'm in shock. That's really awesome. Drop top customs, convertible builders built this actual car and designed everything about the feature that has. So take a look at that. I like the leather interior though. Custom stitching. What you think, Armani?
I am speechless.
For sure. We've never seen anything like this. No car show ever been seen anything like this. So definitely unique. Let me know in the comments though what you think. You think Dodge should do something like this for future cars? Let us know. It's the old 1974 Tomaso Pantera.
I know. I try to say it too.
This is a beast right here in its own self. This is crazy. This is something different. I like how it looks like an older Diablo mixed with a Ferrari. You got the stereo sideways right there. That's pretty cool. Black leather interior. We noticed the intake is actually in the back right here. That's pretty cool. And it doesn't have glass. There's no glass in the back. That's kind of different.
Oh I didn't realize that.
Yeah, it's actually open.
No, it's not. It is a glass.
Oh, that's a glass?
Yeah, you gotta see it. The glass is between the seat and the intake.
Oh, but right here there's no glass. See,
Yeah, right
I can
there.
put my hand in there. Yeah, that's kind of cool. So, look at that. The back of that Pantera. This one right here actually goes for $139,000. That's a lot. Classic. Beautiful 1965 Mustang. Look at that thing. That thing is crazy. 48 G's and it's yours. I love the interior of the old Mustangs. Look at that black stitching, no headrests. This is a classic right here. This is from back in the day for sure. Vents on the side, big glass. This is crazy. I don't even know what it is, but it looks like something off an Alien movie.
It's called the Auburn Speedster.
Auburn Speedster.
Made in 2004.
Look at that.
It's number 14.
Auburn
I'll tell you
Speedster.
everything. It's the Auburn Speedster. It's the 14th one that they made, and it was made in 2004. That's crazy.
What's the price tag on something like this?
98 grand.
Wow.
And it's supercharged too.
Wow. Look at that, guys. Coolest thing that I saw here, I think, is these Cobras, man. This place specializes in custom Cobras. Look at that. The most custom one they have right here is this one, the Backdraft 1965 Cobra with a Lamborghini paint. And this is all custom. Most of them have the chrome accessories on this, like this right here, but on this one it's all black. Look at that. It's all black. And this was all custom stitched, custom everything. So if you want a custom Cobra, this is definitely the place to get it. This is definitely the spot. Make sure you talk to Fastlane, Classic Cars, and they'll get you a custom made Cobra. Look at that. Everything is black made, gloss. Roush 427R. Look inside this thing. All custom etched. All custom etched. Carbon fiber dashboard. Look at that, all carboned out. Carbon fibered everything. Look how big the exhaust is on the sides. Wow. Dang. The wheels are pristine. Cobras everywhere. It's awesome. I like the Cobra. Very exotic, very nice. But right now we are leaving this building because we have 3 more buildings, right? 4 more buildings, and we're going to check them out because we got some more imports for you guys. So let's go to the other building and then we'll see what they got. We're downstairs right now looking at the Hot Wheels. Look at these miniature cars. They got Hot Wheels on everything. Every car Hot Wheel. Look at that. That's a little kid's paradise right here.
Right. That's where all addictions to cars start.
I swear it's Hot Wheels or Need for Speed games. For me it was a Need for Speed game, right. But look at all those Hot Wheels.
I got monster trucks too. I remember those small ones.
Look at all these Hot Wheels, guys. Yeah, that's awesome. There's too much, man. It's too many of them. Look at all those kit cars, man. All those kit cars. Is that a Hellcat? That is a Hellcat. I found the Hellcat. Wow. My favorite one got to be this G-Wagon just because of how big it is. They got a BMW for you guys in there. Oh, wow. Is it an E39? Nah. 745. That's all right. Shout out to Cali Rebuildables. That's his car right there. But let's see. We got that big G-Wagon right here. Wow. I know, I saw that. Just in that building. Shout out to Fastlane Classic Cars. Right now we're walking to the other side. Got Amani. They got 3 more buildings, so we're gonna go check those out right now. We're in the second building right now. It's a lot more classics, but this one right here caught our eye, man. There goes that Skyline Gtr. Fresh wheels. You know, all the info right here. 27 G's, it's yours. Right hand driving, steering wheel over there. Yeah, this is the ones I like, man. You know me, I'm an import guy, but this is cool. It's really cool. It's really cool. This right here is the Pimp Mobile. This right here is crazy. You got all the horns in front. I like the emblem. Kind of looks like a Rolls Royce. We got the Eagle. This is Snoop Dogg's car. This is what Snoop Dogg would have pulled up to your girl's house. And then so we got the Zimmer Golden Spirit. Got the nice leather in the interior. Tan. Really nice, to be honest. I've never seen one of these ever. This is something different. It's really nice though. I like it. Made it to the next building. That we found something pretty cool. Right here we got the Ford GT right here. Yeah, there's not much to be said about this, just to be observed. Look how crazy this thing is. Golly. This is an older one too. 1966 Ford GT40. Look at that price tag. We got the inside view. Look at the inside of that. Oh, that's so crazy. That's insane. See that? Got all the knobs and shifters inside here. Gauge on the right. Look how the door opens. Look at that. I know you haven't seen something like that. This is the craziest thing we've seen. Look at that. Oh my God. Exhaust back here. Man, come on, y'all. What y'all gotta say about this? This is crazy. Look at that. That's insane. Look how it opens though. How it encloses. That's insane. It's like a little capsule with the door open and everything. That's the pure racing spirit. Wow, look at that. This one doesn't have an engine in it, but still cool to look at. I mean, look at the wheels on that thing. That's crazy. That's nice, man. Look at this big boy right here. Plymouth Street Rod. I remember when I was a little kid, I went to a car show and I sat on the fender of this right here and a guy got really mad at me. You know, little kid, doing my stuff. I didn't know any better, but good thing is I didn't damage this, but this car brings back memories, man. Sitting on the fender and stuff. Look at that, guys. Look at that back. Yeah, a whole windshield and all that room back there. I love the color on this thing too. Stereo system. Wow, man, look at the dash on this thing. Everything's different about these cars, I'm telling you guys that.
You said it's retractable? That's what's all right here. The hard top comes out like
that's back in the day being in this stuff.
That's not crazy. That's retractable.
Here, man, you want to grab this real quick?
Yeah.
Show them me in it. This is crazy, guys. This feels different. Sure. I love it. That's crazy. The whole thing's in the trunk.
Yep.
So if you want to retract it, you got to take that out. But dang, 1969 Camaro Z28. Look at that thing. That's crazy. This one's got a big price tag on it too, but look at the interior of that engine. I love the orange look. 114 grand, it's yours. Camaro. I like the color and everything. Interior of that thing is crazy immaculate. No flaws whatsoever. I mean, this one is just my favorite Camaro. This is from all the old Transformers movies. You could find one of these in one of those movies, but this is insanely nice, man. Look at that. Come on. Right here is the service department where all the cars are serviced. Pretty cool. All the cars are detailed. We got the Phillips sign. Fast lane, classic cars. It was a fun experience. They got everything that you would ever want for in a classic car. They buy, sell, trade, and consign. So come check them out. I'm gonna leave the links in the description below where you can check them out at and get your classic car needs done.
American cars, foreign cars, classic cars. I love them all, but I love a lot of these cars. It's crazy seeing some old cars, some new cars. Like, I found love for an older car that I've never seen before, just by seeing it today. So
right, no, it was a fun experience. Like I said, our first time at Fastlane, it was a great time.
Right.
So that's a wrap for this video, though. Please hit that sub button, like this video, and subscribe to my man's channel. He's posting all cool stuff too. I want you guys to shout him out. Look at his content. It's great content. So I'm gonna hit that his channel below, That Car Addict, and that's a wrap, guys. So from me and That Car Addict, peace out. Subscribe below, and we'll see you at the next one.